Stop struggling with clunky editing software. If you are tired of laggy timelines, overpriced subscriptions and apps that just don't deliver, then stick around because today I'm ranking the 5 best video editing apps and my number 1 pick might surprise you. Whether you are a pro editor or just starting out, choosing the right software can save you hours of frustration. But with so many options, which one actually delivers? We have tested these apps for speed, features, ease of use and found the best picks for every type of creator. And trust me, you won't believe what made the top spot. At number 5 we have CapCut. If you want pro level editing on your phone for free, CapCut is no-brainer. It's packed with AI powered effects, auto captions and cinematic transitions that used to take hours to create. And guess what? It's not just for TikTokers anymore. Tons of the YouTubers use it for fast, high quality edits. At number 2, we have iMovie. For Apple users, iMovie is still a solid choice. Super simple, buttery smooth, and best of all, completely free. It's perfect for beginners who just need an intuitive editor without all the extra fluff. But there is a big limitation and that's why it did not rank higher. At number 3 we have Filmora. Now if you want that pro look without the steep learning curve, Filmora is a game changer. Think of it as a Premiere Pro easygoing little brother. Tons of motion tracking, color grading tools and AI editing features. But is it worth the price? Well, compared to what's coming next, you decide. Number 2, DaVinci Resolve. Okay, this is where the things get serious. DaVinci Resolve is a hands down the best free editing software for creators who want Hollywood level color grading without spending a dime. But here's the catch. It has a learning curve. If you are willing to put the time, it's incredibly powerful. But what if you need something faster? And at number 1, no surprise here, Adobe Premiere Pro still dominates in 2025. It's an industry standard for a reason. Insane customization, pro level effects, seamless integration with After Effects. The only downside is the price, but if you are serious about editing, it's worth every penny. So which one are you trying first? Drop that in the comment section below.